We are pleased to present you today a European dish. These are the ingredients. We have 2 potatoes, cherry tomatoes, carrot, red onions. These are small onions, not big onions, red onions. And we have celery leaves cut. We also have lemon. We have rosemary leaves. The tomato paste we used. Also we have pasta sauce. And among the spices, black pepper powder, white pepper seeds. We have cooking oil. We have beef cut into pieces, washed.
White pepper also.
Now you grind white pepper seeds and you add black pepper,
Put a little lemon.
add lemon
Yeah. Then do like this.
and then mix. Add oil into a frying pan.
Put this one.
When oil is hot, place cut pieces of beef in. Reduce the temperature so that the oil will not get splashed onto your body. Beef is getting cooked. Then stir, topple upside down for even cooking. Add red onions, peeled off red onions and garlic. Beef is getting cooked. Stir for even cooking. The potato.
They are putting small potato.
Add cherry tomato. And mix. Beef is already getting cooked. So mix it. Cut the carrot. Mix it and topple upside down for even cooking. You have a nice golden color shade into the beef. Vegetable mixture is getting cooked. You have to mix it. Add
Oil.
cooking oil into another saucepan. What we are using is a cast iron saucepan. Smell is great, appetizing. Mixing, avoid getting roasted one side. Chop rosemary leaves, add into the mixture. Now stir it. Add celery leaves. Now mix it. Remember to add soft items like leaves towards the end of the frying process. To add mushroom. Mushroom has been already washed and cut. Mix it. Salt. to your taste and mix it. Cook the mixture until the mushrooms are softer, while constantly stirring. Add cooking wine.
Yeah, cooking wine.
You can add even normal wine according to your taste. In our case, we are using cooking wine. You can use red wines, white wines, colorless wines, whatever. That all gives a different taste. It's getting cooked nicely. Emits a nice appetizing smell. Remember to stir it sometimes for even cooking. Mixing regularly keeps it regular even cooking. It will not get burned one side. Now
You do like this.
you add pasta sauce. This is pasta sauce, about 2 teaspoons. And now mix it.
You see the smell.
Appetizing smell is coming. Tomato paste,
Pasta sauce.
also about 1 tablespoon. Mix it. Now add the already cooked meat.
Meat must be cooked
Onto
like
the
this.
mix. This meat has been already fried half
Yeah.
so that the surface become golden color. You can see that, and that gives you additional taste to the meat or curry. Now you add the meat into that or mix it. Looks great, appetizing. Add oil into a frying pan. Add already cut washed potato cubes. Stir for even cooking.
Like this.
It comes into a golden color again. The curry is getting cooked nicely, as you can see.
Inside, yeah.
Potato is getting cooked. Add water. If you find potatoes have not been softer, instead of adding additional oil, you can add water, because the job of oil is to give the surface a taste. Once it is done, you don't have to add more oil. Now what is necessary is to
Potato.
now add carrots, cut carrots. The addition of water will cook inside potatoes and carrots. The oil makes the surfaces tastier. Cover it and cook it. Reduce the fire to about 100 degrees centigrade and cook for about
Put a little
an hour. You can add a little bit of cooking wine if
1
the
or 2 hours.
liquidity is not sufficient for you. 1 to 2 hours, very low heat cooking. The dish is finished.